I am ASP Iyamu Solomon from River State Command, Nigerian Police Force. And this particular event was informative as it helped us to understand how the narratives are changing and how the same laws that were there before are now there in the digital ages, and how we can incorporate these laws into the new narratives to be better law enforcement officers. These laws and these new ideologies, are stemming from AI, gender-based violence, human rights, and how to know our limits, and how also to be able to perform effectively. The program was very effective, and I had a new brain shift as I am now aware that I am a digital native, and hence I should work within the boundaries that the laws of being digital applies and allows for me.